Because the research design was decided to focus on what teachers understood about assessment, the research questions were reasonably straightforward. It's a matter of how do you find out what people think about something is not a difficult question to ask. What's difficult about it is how do you design the study so that you can find out what they think while eliminating potentially confounding alternative explanations for your findings. So the complicated issue is not what is the question, but the complicated issue is how do you know that the answer you're getting is the answer to the question that you've asked. In terms of what questions we chose, how do teachers think about assessment? Which teachers, how many teachers, and how are you going to get the information from them? How you answer those questions is designed to limit both the scale of the work and also the generalizability and applicability of your results. But you have to choose something that's actually manageable within the constraints of either the project or the funding that you have. My supervisor said to me, "You're working on this project. This project terminates in 2.5 years. You will have to have your thesis finished by then, so we have to design a study that approaches the question that you've asked within that constraint." And I think what that sheds light on is that every study is an estimation, an approach to answering a question. Without a complete census of everybody in the world, you can't answer the question. And by the time you collected that census, you wouldn't have an answer to the question anymore because the world would have changed. So you must always estimate and make your sample and your methods suitable for a constrained question and a constrained answer.